Hello, children. How are you? I hope you are enjoying with online studies. I'm so happy to see your responses in the last EVS quiz. Very good, students. Good job. Keep it up. Today, we are going to learn very interesting topic. I hope you'll have fun. Are you ready? So come on. Let's go to the garden. Hey, look at this. So beautiful garden. And what is that? Simi and Raj? What they're doing? Hmm. I think they're doing painting. Wow. Ah, now what is that? Hey, look at that puppy. How he's running behind the butterfly. Wow. We can see in the picture how Sid and Raj surrounded by many things. Some are living things while other are non-living things. For example, that puppy and butterfly are living things, but that bucket, paintbrush, colors, table are non-living things. Students like Sid and Raj, we are also surrounded by living things and non-living things. Do you know how a living thing is different from a non-living thing? Well, there are certain characteristics that a living thing has, but the non-living things doesn't. Come, let us look at these features one by one. All living things need food. Since plants are living things, they also need food. Food provides energy to all living things, which allow them to work and growth. Students, as you are hungry, so what do? See, if you will not eat anything, you will not get energy and your body will not get proper growth. So, another characteristic of living thing is that the growth. Students, as we know, a baby grows into an adult. A chick grows into a hen. And the sapling grows into a plant. Animals breathe using their special body parts. For example, fish uses its gills to breathe. Human beings use their lungs to breathe. All the living things move from one place to another. Even though plants do not move from one place to another, but certain plants' part shows movement towards the sun. Students, as we are familiar, all living things produce young ones of their own kind. Animals can produce young ones either by laying eggs or giving birth to new one animal. A hen lays for eggs, while the cow gives birth to its calf. The process by which living things produce the young one is known as reproduction. Hey, now look at this picture. Why the boy is crying? I think he's feeling very hot. or we touch something hot object. Students, when we touch a hot object, we immediately move our hands away from the object. So all living things gives us a response they can feel. So students, a thing is living thing only if it is shows all the characteristic we have just discussed. If it is not shows any one of this characteristic, it is a non-living thing. You may often see a balloon increase in size. That does not mean that the balloon is a living thing. Its size increases only when you blow air into it. It cannot grow on its own. Similarly, even though a car moves from one place to another, it is non-living things. This is because a car does not eat food and grow. Does not move on its own. It moves when we drive it. Hence, both balloon and car are non-living things. So students, today we have discussed living things and non-living things. Living things need food, water and air. They can feel, they have a proper growth, they can move from one place to another, they can produce young ones like them. While non-living things, they are not showing any one of these characteristics. Now students, I have a small assignments for you. You will read the questions and you will give the correct answers. Thank you.